Okay, welcome muli po ngayon po sa ating second game for the day between CAS, clad in white and green Qatar Airways logo versus in gray po yan, The Mechanicos. Clad in gray naman po yan, The Mechanicos. Yan. This is your Aviation Friendly League po, aka the Flying League, for the second semi-finals match between CAS and of course Mechanicos. Thank you po. Okay, teka lang po and also we have to give you voice and so take some group videos po. Okay, ito po ang Team CAS po, clinching now. They will now fight against Team Mechanicos and they will now say amin ba itong second seat po ito or Mechanicos will prevail. We will win, who will go home. Coming up next po is Mechanicos and CAS. Okay, thank you po. Okay, ito po ngayon po si Coach ng ano po, ano name po?
Owen.
Oh, si Coach Owen. So, Sir Owen, welcome ulit po pala sa semi-finals match with, of course, Mechanicos sa mga kalami. Sir, ano po maging parang key play niyo po ito para manalo po kayo? And eventually, lalabanin po sina Airport United po sa championship.
Siguro dito, yung dalawang key player nila, si Munibat siya, hindi naman iba-box. Kailangan lang depensahan ng Maigpet kasi scorer talaga.
Oo naman, nakatado talaga.
Siguro depensa lang kami talaga.
Sino asangin po papaputok niyo dyan para manalo po?
Lahat naman nagtiwala ako dyan sa mga player na yan eh.
Dami ba? Sa ibang ligas, nagkikita rin tayo eh. Yung itim na na CAS eh, nakita ko po.
Lahat naman yan marunong. Kaya, basta lang, tiwala lang, usap sa loob, at saka,
sige po. Okay, again, Coach, congratulations po for getting the semis and also, of course, mas maganda, to get all the way po talaga sa final.
Sana.
Good luck po against Team The Mechanicos.
Thank you.
Okay, may tumuli po Team CAS po yan. Mamaya po yan, CAS versus Team and Mechanicos sa ating second semifinals match. Okay, ito lang po ang Team Mechanicos clad in black and gray combination po yan. Along with Munib and number 42. They'll square against po sa Team CAS po yan, clad in white and green combination. Who will win? Who will go home? With it CAS or The Mechanicos? Okay, thank you po. Okay, thank you po. And also, okay, with us po Team Mechanicos, si Fort and yung coach po na sir. Again, welcome po lang po sa semi-finals match against CAS, sir. I think medyo depleted kayo, pero yung kabila pa is marami. Ano pa may key play niyo po para manalo po sa larong ito? What is your key play po?
Maganda yung combination ng team namin ngayon.
Okay.
Star player namin nandito kaya mukhang kaya-kaya.
Si Fort.
Ito, katabi na oh. Ito, katabi ko.
Asahan namin na sana namin makuha namin sa depensa.
Okay,
Dali
po. Sige po, sir. And also, any word po pala sa before we start?
Good luck na lang sa kabilang team.
Okay, of course. Tama po yun.
Pati galingan.
Sige. With it po, again po, thank you po, sir. Congratulations for winning the series po. For the match. And good luck po against Team CAS po. With it po, mamaya po yan, back-back action po muli po between CAS and The Mechanicos. This is your Aviation Friendly League, aka dubbed as the Flying League. Thank you po, and stand by po tayo sa first quarter action. Welcome again for the final, for the second time, Team CAS. Final score 83-77. Okay, congratulations po naman Team CAS po for winning the ball game. And again, okay, welcome to the finals, CAS. Coach, any words, Coach? Coach, any word, sir? Any word, please.
Thank you sa...
Welcome muli po pala sa for the second time around po. Finals muli po against Team Airport United pala. Again, also, rematch po ito. Ano ba masasabi po natin, sir? Rematch po ito.
Pagkakantayan namin sila kasi malakas yung team na yun eh. May maraming malalaki doon. Same defense pa rin.
Okay.
Thank you.
Abala! 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 Abala yung kanilang pambatong si Abala. Abala, sir, congratulations po, sir. Any word po, sir, sa pagpasok niyo po sa finals? Any word, sir? Sa finals, any word po?
Sana makalaro lahat. Kasama
Okay.
namin siya, pati yung kompleto yung kalaban kasi rematch to eh.
Okay, rematch ka talaga eh. Okay, thank you po. Okay, shoutout, sige po, sige po.
Si Bayhope, saka anak ko si Pantin, si Francesca. Saka sa buong cast team.
Casting yan, buong casting. Okay, buong casting po. Buong casting. Thank you.
Bibili ako sapatos.
Okay, oh, Amado.
Rematch, see you.
Oh, dinimas na, nag-rematch sila.
Maganda ka na.
Nag-rematch daw sila.
Chris, message ko sa iyo, sana susunod maka-score naman kayo ng isa lang.
Okay, okay, sila nilabanan. Amampang. Halika rito. Oh, ikaw talaga. Amampang, congratulations po. Ikaw po parang pinakasusi po ng pagkapanalo po nila. Anyway po, sir.
Hindi po ako, yung lahat ng ano po. Ito sila lahat po. So, kung wala sila, hindi kami mananalo.
With... Okay. Okay, ano pa po, sir? Any word po, sir, sa mga kalaban po sa championship?
Good luck, Ives. May panlaban kami si Zerde. Good luck.
Okay, with it po, again, this is again the rematch po between CAS and, of course, Airport United. Maraming salamat po, and muli po, congratulations po again for welcome again for the championship match po, Airport United and CAS. Thank you po, muli po, maraming salamat po sa inyo, and see you po on the championships po.